If mixed media cloth customization is also your weakness, I am here to quickly show you what me and my daughter have been up to a couple of years ago. She did this whole thing by herself using the Easy Squeezy Puffy from Tulip. This is one of the first squeezy paints that we tried, and it's really good, and it's the bottles are soft as compared to those which come in little tiny bottles, like from something like Scribbles, right? Those are a little bit hard for little hands to press on. These are easy. So this t-shirt is gone through so many washes, and you see the puffy paint, it stayed right on, minimal cracks. We absolutely did not care about proper laundry techniques because this t-shirt needed way too much of laundry. And whenever these gels fall off, I thought to share with you what I do and actually how I attach them. I did not bother, of course, sewing them up. Of course, it's because my daughter was involved in creating this rainbow, and she was too little to handle the needle. So I used this Aleene's fabric javelin, and it comes in the handy 3-piece for different purposes fabric tacky pack. You can read that there are like a couple of other options. It's really also easy to use and apply on the little acrylic sew-on rhinestones, like so. When my daughter works with it, she uses a paintbrush. Press it and let it stay. If there's a little excess, you can pick up, but usually the glue dries clear, so there is no need to worry. Nice. Now after it's dried, there is no need to heat set this glue. Just let it dry properly. Sometimes, as my daughter is also putting a little bit too much glue, sometimes it's great to slide in underneath some kind of board or better parchment paper, because it's unlikely to stick if glue goes through the bag. Well, a face wash. I also thought to show you this stretchy synthetic headband, which I painted using the same puffy paint from Tulip, because Tulip is great on synthetics and natural fabrics. This was a quick doodle just to create some easy spring blossom flower design. It's on a headband, which you can use when face washing or running and want to look pretty. So try this technique if you want. I left a tutorial video link. It's called 6 Easy Summer Painting Ideas.